Imagine creating something millions of people interact with every day. Sounds exciting, right? That's exactly what web development is all about. But where do you begin? Web development isn't just about writing code. It's about building experiences. Whether you're passionate about creating visually stunning websites, developing powerful applications, or solving real-world problems, web development gives you the tools to bring your ideas to life. The best part? It's a field that's always evolving, offering endless opportunities for growth and innovation. What makes web development so exciting is its endless potential for creativity and problem solving. Every project is a new challenge, whether you're designing a sleek, user-friendly interface or building complex systems that power entire websites. Plus, with the tech industry constantly evolving, there's always something new to learn, keeping the journey fresh and rewarding every day. In this video, I'll take you through a clear step-by-step roadmap to help you start your web development journey. From learning the fundamentals to choosing your career path, I'll show you exactly what you need to know to get started and build your skills the right way. Web development is typically split into two main areas, front-end and back-end. Let's break them down. Front-end development is everything that users see and interact with on a website. It's the design, layout, buttons, and navigation. Basically, everything that makes a website look good and function smoothly. For example, every time you scroll through Facebook, you're interacting with the front end. The layout of posts, the images, text, buttons, and interactive elements like buttons and comment sections are all built using front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And to make things easier, they often rely on frameworks and libraries like React, Vue.js, or Angular. On the other hand, back-end development is the behind-the-scenes part of web development. It involves working with servers, databases, and APIs that make sure everything on the website works as expected. For example, when you log into a website or submit a form, the backend handles the requests, stores data, and sends the right information to the front end. Backend developers typically work with languages like Node.js, Python, Ruby, or PHP and use databases. Databases are systems designed to store, organize, and manage data efficiently. They act as a digital storage space where information can be saved, retrieved, updated, and deleted whenever needed. For example, a database on an e-commerce website would store user data, names, email addresses, passwords, and order history. Product data, product names, descriptions, prices, and stock levels. Transaction data, payment details, delivery addresses, and purchase timestamps, like MySQL, MongoDB, or PostgreSQL to store and manage data. Before you dive into complex technologies, it's crucial to start with the building blocks of the web: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the foundation, structuring the content on a web page. CSS adds style, colors, fonts, and layout. JavaScript makes things interactive, allowing you to build dynamic features like buttons that change, forms that submit, or pop-ups that appear. These three technologies are the cornerstone of web development. To get started, there are plenty of free resources available. Platforms like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and MDN Web Docs are great places to begin your learning journey. You can also find tutorials on YouTube, blogs, and even coding bootcamps to guide you through the basics. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to decide which direction to take. Do you want to focus on front-end development, creating the visual and interactive elements of a website? Or would you prefer back-end development, building the systems that run behind the scenes? There's also the option of full-stack development, where you'll work on both the front-end and back-end. For front-end development, tools like React, Vue.js, or Angular will help you build dynamic user interfaces. If you're leaning towards back-end development, Node.js, Python, or Ruby on Rails are powerful options. Each of these paths has its own set of tools and technologies, so explore what excites you the most. The key to mastering web development is practice. Building projects is essential for reinforcing what you've learned. Start with simple, real-world projects that you can showcase. For example, create a portfolio website to display your work, a to-do app to practice your JavaScript skills, or a blog site to understand how databases work. The more projects you build, the more your confidence will grow, and you'll get better at problem solving along the way. And remember, don't be afraid to fail. Each mistake is an opportunity to learn. As you start building more complex projects, you'll need a way to keep track of changes and collaborate with others. Gut is a version control system that allows you to manage your code and keep track of every modification. It's a must-have skill for any developer. Pair Git with GitHub for easy collaboration and to store your code online. Once your projects are ready, you'll need to know how to deploy them so others can see your work. Tools like Netlify, Vercel, and Heroku allow you to deploy your projects with just a few clicks. These platforms are beginner-friendly and provide free hosting options to get you started. Remember, every expert developer you look up to was once in your shoes, starting from scratch. The journey to becoming a skilled web developer takes time, but with consistency and a curious mindset, you'll keep improving every day. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the small victories, and trust that every line of code you write is bringing you closer to your goal. Stay patient, stay motivated, and the results will follow. If you found this roadmap helpful and you're excited to start your web development journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. I'll be sharing more tips and resources to help you grow as a developer. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if you're just starting out in web development. I'd love to hear about your goals and any challenges you might be facing. The world runs on code, and you're just one step away from becoming a part of it. Keep coding, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.